Hello, we're Greater Manchester Fire and Rescue Service. You might know about our firefighters, fire engines and how to call us in an emergency. But that's not all we do. We help stop fires from happening in the first place. In this short film, we'll tell you all about our home fire safety assessments. These are home visits we provide for free to keep people like you safe. We cover the whole of Greater Manchester. So, if you live in Greater Manchester, whether you're in a house or flat, and whether it's owned or rented, this film is for you. And if you provide care or support to someone who lives in Greater Manchester, this film is for you too. To find out if you or someone you provide care or support for are eligible for a home fire safety assessment, it's easy. We have an online home fire safety check. Our web address is www.manchesterfire.gov.uk. Go to our online home fire safety check. Click on the link and enter your postcode or the postcode of the person you're supporting to start the check. You'll be asked a series of questions about the home, who lives there, whether there are working smoke alarms in place, and about everyday activities such as cooking and heating. You might be surprised to find that we also ask about things like mobility, physical and mental health, sensory impairment, clutter and learning disability. We're not being nosy. This information is really important because these factors impact on the risk of a fire starting and on chances of a safe escape if a fire does break out. The answers you provide help us to weigh up if you or the person you're providing care and support for are eligible for a home fire safety assessment. If your answers tell us that the fire risk is low, we won't need to visit to deliver a home fire safety assessment. Instead, our online system will display fire safety advice based on the answers you've entered about cooking safety, electrical safety, escape planning, smoke alarms and more. If your answers tell us that the fire risk is slightly higher, you'll be invited to complete and submit an online referral form for a home fire safety assessment. If you're a professional or concerned other acting on behalf of someone you provide care and support to, make sure you have their permission to share their information with us before you make the referral. All referrals are received by our contact centre. They're a small team of friendly people. When they receive your referral, they'll telephone you or the person you've referred to arrange an appointment for a home fire safety assessment. The contact centre also accepts telephone referrals for people who don't have online access. So, if that's you, don't worry. Telephone our contact centre on 0800 555 815 and they will assess and process your referral on the phone. But what is a home fire safety assessment? Well, it's a home visit from a member of our staff, either a prevention advisor or an operational firefighter. They will ask the householder about the home environment, everyday living routines, and the people that live there. They'll explain how these things can impact on fire risk and provide safety tips and advice. Our staff will look around the home with the householder to identify hazards and help make these safe. This could be things like overloaded plug sockets, cooking hazards, or heating hazards. They'll talk about having a safe bedtime routine to reduce the chances of a fire starting when the household is in bed. They'll help to agree an escape plan for the household so that everyone knows what to do if a fire starts. They'll also check that there are enough smoke and heat alarms in the home and test them to check they're working. Every home should have a minimum of one working smoke alarm per floor and a heat alarm in the kitchen. Test your alarms regularly by pushing the big test button in the centre. A series of loud beeps means that the alarm is working. If the home is not adequately protected, our staff will fit smoke alarms and may fit a heat alarm in the kitchen depending on the risk. Our staff will also help householders to access support from other services that can help with issues that underpin fire risk. Things like mobility, mental health, memory impairment, substance use and smoking. A home fire safety assessment makes households safer, provides peace of mind, and could even save a life. We hope you've enjoyed this short film. For more information, to complete an online home fire safety check, and to make a referral for a home fire safety assessment, please visit www.manchesterfire.gov.uk. That's all from us here at Greater Manchester Fire and Rescue Service. Thanks for joining us. Stay safe.